It's Brittany. We're gonna be dyeing my hair. Why my hair? I don't know. Without expensive salon things like foils. They're not really that helpful. Also, we did my hair because it needed to be bleached. I was very impressed by it. We're gonna go from this light pink to this cool pink. Let's go. What you're gonna need is, first of all, a towel, and then some 20 volume developer, some gloves. The weighing scale's optional. Bleach, your pick. Dyes, also your pick. I use Ion, permanent. A bowl, clips, and a brush. First thing you're gonna wanna do is just brush your hair. Then put gloves on so you don't hurt your hands, because bleach is hard. And then we're combing here to put it in sections, as seen here, sections. Little split down the center. Then this is what the sections are gonna look like. I was jamming. I was jamming to music. It's all clipped up. You gotta start with the back. You're gonna wanna go by very thin sections and try to do it about 1.5 inches away from your scalp. We have to do this so you don't get hot roots, which basically is the heat from your head over processing the bleach. Gonna wanna put your bowl on the scale. If you don't have a scale, it's fine. You just wanna use a 1-to-2 ratio. The 1 being bleach, the 2 being developer. And here we go. We're gonna add the bleach in. Weighing it's much easier because you just get the numbers in front of you. And then the developer. Ignore that. Here's us mixing. And then you're just gonna want to apply it, still not too close to the scalp. Oh, getting close. Here is a wonderful time lapse of just going up from the back. We're only gonna do this back section because we don't want the bottom to over process. We were watching Descendants before going to Descendants while doing this. As you can see, the bottom is very blonde, where the top isn't quite there yet, so you're gonna wanna let it sit just a bit longer until it reaches that similar blondness. And this is us going back in, looking, seeing it's there. It's pretty blonde. It's pretty blonde up there. And this is us washing it out. We put the 2 front sections in braids, so they would still be really nice. You don't have to waterboard your friends. You can just shower. But we actually got another friend to help us with this, so get friends. Now we're gonna start on the front 2 sections. You don't have to go back and forth because these sections are actually really small, so you can just do one side and then skip into the other side. Little Neapolitan ice cream here. Oh, what an angle. Bleaching, just doing the same thing we were doing and just letting it sit. You can't let. This is what those sections are gonna look like done with the application. You're gonna want to not forget the baby hairs, otherwise it's gonna look really weird. We then did a bleach bath, which don't recommend. If you have previous color, just get color remover. But bleach bath is basically the same bleach, same developer, but with shampoo added on top of it, trying to strip the color, the past color. Here is the mixing process of the actual dye. It is a 1-to-1 ratio with the developer. Again, I use the Ion Brilliance. We didn't really measure it, but still came out good. You usually want to use a brush, but we were actually running late because we had to go to the play, and we were being rushed, so you just kind of lather it. Doesn't matter if it's patchy, really. It's okay. If you do want a lighter color than it's shown, you can mix in conditioner, but I recommend using a brush or it will come out patchy. Here is the finished product in the sun, in the car on the way to Descendants. Actually at Descendants, look, that's the stage. And then also outside in the dark. Look, pretty cool. Bye-bye. It was fun.